Hey everyone, Larry from ForgeCo.ai. All right, so now we're going to be doing day 4, but today I'm going to focus specifically on creating the website. I keep saying I'm going to create the vault, but my first product, but I have nowhere to put it yet. So what's the point of building it until I can post it anywhere? So we're going to focus specifically on the website. All right. Now, the cool news is I've right now, as I've kind of gone back and forth between ChatGPT and Grok. Grok recently came out with a version 4. And this thing is freaking slick, and it's very accurate right now, highly intelligent. So I'm temporarily going to be leveraging Grok more than ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT comes out with their new version, I'm going to start reintegrating it more. But for now, for general tasks and very quick questions, unless you have the exact scripting that you need, like in other words, the exact questions that you want to ask, ChatGPT can give what they call that hallucination rate. I mentioned it in a couple of videos ago. And so we don't want to have any hallucinations when we're creating this business, or we want to minimize it, I should say. So for now, I'm going to focus a little bit more with Grok. Again, feel free to use whichever one you want. ChatGPT is good, and when I do release the free prompt vault, in other words, like these pre-built up exact questions that you can just kind of templatize for yourself for your own business, it will still be very beneficial, especially considering ChatGPT is like blazing fast and very personable. Oh, and again, and I'll say this at the beginning of the video because my videos are so freaking long. Please, if you like the video, like it, subscribe, right? Help encourage me to generate more content for y'all, and I'm hoping that you start giving some feedback on what it is that I can do to help better y'all for your business. All right, so for this video, I'm going to focus specifically with, again, creating the website. I went back and forth with Grok on how I'm going to actually do this, but what I want to highlight here is they kind of went back and forth on which AI. They actually recommended, hey, let's use other versions of AI out there to create your website. And they called out there's some really good top builders out there, right? Some top website builders for AI startups in 2025. So this could very well apply to you, because you may not end up using GoDaddy as your hosting. You may have used another hosting. So some of the items they mentioned was like Wix, Hostinger, and as well as GoDaddy. And all of them emphasize AI-driven design. And the reason why we want to do this is creating websites in I'd say the old school, or like the old-fashioned way. It takes a long time, right, to be able to sit there and get the art and getting all the URL stuff together, or whatever the crap is, right? In the back end, we don't want to do all that, right? We just want a website. It's again, that's why we're using AI, right? It's a tool. Let's have it do the heavy lifting, and so we can just get straight to what we need to run our business. All right, so specifically it recommends GoDaddy. It says it's actually really robust. And let me see here, what was it called? Yeah, so GoDaddy Arrow is their machine language / AI version of it. And it says it's pretty quick. And this will help us with scalability. And there is a pricing involved in it, but there is a free 7-day trial. Then it's $10 a month. And then I guess it's got a commerce, but that status as like later on as we scale. So it kind of gives the pros. It has mobile friendly templates, 24/7 support, and some easy content expansion, like adding Notion embeds for vaults and stuff, which is what we're trying to release for free for everybody, right? So we're gonna focus on that one specifically. So I'm here at GoDaddy. I'm already logged in, and it gives us kind of like the step-by-step for building our website. So the first thing we do is, it says right here, right, we need to sign up at GoDaddy, right? And I like this one better. I actually like when Grok will just give you the URL, and you can just copy and paste it, where ChatGPT would create like a symbolic link where you'd have to kind of like click on it, and lead to it. And it's been hit or miss if the link is actually working or not. So let's use their URL and see if it works. Did it really have the same issue? Oh, no, that was odd. Whatever, it worked though. All right, so let AI help create your free website in minutes. So let's do it. Start for free. Ooh, you can hire an expert. All right, pick up where you left off. We're going to go with ForgeCo.ai because that's my business that I'm starting. Let's drill down in here. All right, everything generated for you by GoDaddy. Oh, this is where I kind of created my initial splash page. But let's take a look at what Grok is saying, and let's follow through there. Where the heck did it go? I think it was this one. All right, so all right, go to GoDaddy and start the 7-day free trial. No cards needed. All right, let me reshape these windows a little bit because this is getting a little difficult to see. And my head will be all. I'm trying to keep my head at the bottom left of the screen, like down. Where am I at? Here. So that way you can kind of see everything that I'm doing and we don't get lost, right? All right, so input the brand details. Let's see here. Start the 7-day trial. You currently have a free site. Pick a plan to use a premium feature. All right. Where do we do it? Ways to grow. Let's just view plans. All right. So we got light with ads, basic, premium, and commerce. Connect to custom, fully. It doesn't say where you can start the free trial, though. Is it build monthly, build yearly? Today's social post is ready for you. Edit website. Was this it? Where is the free portion of it? Input brand details. You know what? I'm just going to start with it. Why the heck not? I'm going to do the $9.99 one. All right. Because this seems to be kind of in the middle. Let's see the difference. Premium, reach more customers with expanded social media and email marketing tools. All right. But I already got the professional email. Marketing, content, design tools, set found on Google with SEO. Launch social ads. 25,000 email marketing sends a month. Marketing sends. Well, I think I do want that because I want to be able to start building out a way to notify people and book and accept payments. But see, up for appointments. Let's do, no, for this case, I think we're going to do this, okay, hold on. So if I switch over to the build monthly, you still got the basic, premium, and commerce, and then you have light with ads, basic, premium, commerce. So this is $9.99 a month, or it's $21 a month if I pay it per month. The only real difference between these two is launching social ads and book and accept payments. All right. I think I'm going to go ahead and just go with this premium because I'm really going to, I'm going to commit to this, right? I want to be able to take this website. This is going to be the core of my business for now, right? When it comes to distribution, I'm going to advertise and talk and generate, attraction, or if you would, or visibility through all the social media. But I need a landing site. I need a place where all my content is going to be released. So I'm just going to go with the premium for now. It says go with a commerce later when you grow. It looks like it takes the same thing, but you get shoppable social posts, 100,000 email marketing. Maybe I should ask, right? Let's ask ChatGPT. I just went through everything and said that I was going to just use Grok, but there are some things that ChatGPT is good for, and that's just a quick analysis. Okay. I want to create my website. Please compare the versions for GoDaddy's AI website creator. All right, let's go ahead and do our handy dandy snapshot that I love. Give it a second to upload, and let's punch it out. And, this really is one of the main reasons I love ChatGPT. It's just so dang fast. All right. They're going through and then comparing them, give us some pros and cons, but as usual, we're going to go for our recommendation. So timeline today, get online, connect domain, use email. You can automate email, grow lists, and upsell. So they actually recommend the basic. So that's what I was looking at. Let's see here. So commerce is only if you leave Gumroad or you want to sell membership style access directly to your site. We don't want that. So there's no e-commerce tool. I'm not really sure what e-commerce tool is. Best for scaling, lead capture, and growing your email list. Once your Gumroad and YouTube traffic increases, upgrade when you're nurturing an email list or building a free paid vault tool. Oh, see right there. When you're nurturing an email list or building a free paid vault tool. So you didn't say that. It doesn't know on the other side that I'm actually going to be building the vault tool right after this. So it looks like it's actually recommending premium. This is just for the YouTube link business, but I'm going straight into content creation because I'm going to be continually creating YouTube videos as I'm going through this build exercise. But one of the first items that I'm doing is providing a free vault tool for everybody, right, to help y'all with your business. So let's go ahead and go with a premium. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this over here. I'm gonna go move this over to the side and go through the purchase process. I can't believe it recommends premium, but you know what? We're going to get her done. Give me 1 second here. I kind of scooted it over because again, you know, just like everybody else, I don't like sharing my my content on the side or my all my pay information. Okay, so it looks like we're all done. Everything generated by GoDaddy Arrow. Okay, so now what do we need to do here? So I've got my subscription. So let's see here. Maybe edit website. Okay, based on your domain, we'll use a built up coming soon page. No, this doesn't. Ready for more? Make the switch to a full. Oh, where'd it go? I thought I did it. Oh, there it goes. It kind of took it a second. All right, this tutorial will get familiar with the most important areas of your new website. It's all set up, but you can customize it. All right, take a tour. We built a color palette to match your imagery or logo. You can customize it by picking or entering a hex code, your fonts. Oof, seems like a lot, doesn't it? Your site includes the most popular sections for your industry, but you can add more here. You can customize your site's navigation. Publish your site whenever you're done. Okay. Well, Grok states that we need to input details. Okay. Website theme. Try new look. Buttons. Settings. ForgeCo.ai. Basic information. Oh, here we go. Maybe this is it. Oh, here we go. So input. We have a mission. Is there a mission here? Input brand details, name, mission. You would think I would just be like, oh guys, just go straight here. But again, I'm learning this as I'm teaching it. All right, start your free trial of a professional email. Email is Larry at Forge, not Fraude, ForgeCo.ai. Our business category. Do they have the business category in here? Let's see here. Connect your domain immediately for branding. All right, homepage, heroes section with tagline, about page, resources. You know, I kind of like this for now. What is this right here? What's the update button do? Current image, change image. I kind of want to get my own logo in here, but I'm not really sure where to do that. You know, AI over here, you need to step your game up. Change image, insert, no, inset, blur. Oh, this is kind of like, what does this do? Oh, it just kind of changes and moves stuff around. All right, slideshow done, website theme. Is there settings? Manage basic information, social media links. Oh, we can do that. That's kind of cool. I didn't do Facebook. I did do X. So how do you get your X page? Let's come back for that. We'll add all that here in a little bit. I want to go back. I just want to create my website. All right, website builder. Start this. Input brand details. ForgeCo.ai mission. Powering the future. Unpublished, publish, preview. Just website builder. Domain, dashboard, website. Okay. Where is the You would think there was an easy button. There was an easy button for this. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, we made your site hype. We made your site. You make it happen. Refine your site using AI tools, then publish it to your domain to replace your coming soon page. Okay, good. Let's change the design a little bit. What are some features your website needs? Sell with an online store, yes. Accept online payments or donations. That'd be nice. Book appointments online. I think it would be beneficial at one point if I want to start doing some type of y'all just want to be able to meet up and kind of discuss something else that I've done. But for now, we'll just keep it simple. What kind of website do you want? All right, so our perfect category. Oh, here we go. So this might help. All right, input brand name, search for your perfect category. So what if I just put this here? It's AI systems for scalable digital businesses, industry. All right, software companies, what we put here. Let's do this. Okay. Should I go, can this attach, add a text document? Okay, so we still can't go directly over here, or just like ChatGPT. We can't add like a quick screenshot, so I'm just going to do a manual screenshot. I'm going to grab this section right here and then paste it over. What should I enter in here? All right, while that's thinking, I want to go back and look at this really fast. Okay, because it says the homepage is the hero section with tagline. I'm not really sure what hero section is. Let AI generate template. So, I mean, this is it right here. Input brand details. Put your name, your mission, your industry. Maybe that's what it is, the industry. Can I say AI/tools? Oh, no, it won't let me. Okay, let's go back down. All right. Scan the generated tools. All right. Oh, here we go. AI tools generated. Why this description? Input AI education and tools site for solopreneurs. Let's see if it'll do that. It says kind of education. Oh, focus area, education and tools. Educational consultant? No, definitely not. Educational services. Blog style, why ForgeCo.ai. If you want to tweak for emphasis, here's a comparison table to optimize for our growth goals. Digital products, so e-commerce and products. I kind of like that one. Let's do e-commerce and see what it says. And products. I don't think promotional products, event products. So let's just do e-commerce because that's definitely one. All right, so let's continue. Now, what should we call your website? Well, we definitely want, this will be the name of your project. If you change your mind, definitely ForgeCo.ai. How should people who visit your site contact you? It doesn't, but Larry@ForgeCo.ai is perfect. You can email me. That will be ideal. Tell us about your business. Okay, here we go. So we'll take this info and use AI to create a description for your website, and then you can make any edits you'd like. It's a fast way to track your website. Example, I'm a professional dog walker in San Francisco. I help people who work full-time. All right. I think that's pretty good. Oh, excuse me. All right. So now let's go back up to the top here where it was kind of walking us through it. All right. Input brands, mission. All right, let AI generate template, customize core structure, add growth. Okay. Let's just give it the content. Let's create a new one here. Let's see what Grok tells us to input here, because I think this feedback, again, anytime that you're using AI, because AI is in the background of this, the more robust of the input, or as you could say, like almost the question or the way you're communicating to AI, the better feedback you're going to be able to get from AI. So that's why, again, while we're building out this prompt vault. Okay, enter this in the field. Look at this. I love this. ForgeCo.ai is an AI-driven platform empowering entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, and creators to build scalable digital businesses. We offer free and premium AI tools, prompt vaults, dashboards, and workflows demonstrated through real-time YouTube builds. Our mission, AI replaces time, not people, helping users create income faster with automated systems. That's awesome. That is awesome. That is spot on. All right, continue. Building your website architecture. How cool is this? So back in the day, for those who are ancient or old like me, at least that's how I feel, it took a lot of effort to actually build websites back in the day. Oh, cool. Look at that. Oops. What is this? No. No. We want this. Larry at, what is it called? ForgeCo.ai. Continue my site. There we go. Build scalable digital businesses effortlessly. Explore our solutions. Update about ForgeCo.ai. Very cool. It's got a clock in a little dude's head. Feature products, add products, import products. Okay, cool. ForgeCo.ai. All right, now, why this description? I love it. Alternative inputs. If you want to adjust based on our phases, no. All right, the builder will create a draft site, scan for AI suggested, copy photos, and edit to match our branding. Good. Add key pages. Immediately create a /prompt vault with our enhanced vault artifact embedded. Okay. Plus opt-in forms to capture emails for growth. Enable SEO tools, connect analytics, and test mobile view. We'll promote via YouTube social to drive initial traffic. Expansion and prep. With unlimited pages, plan additions like a blog for AI tips. Oh, a blog would be fun. I've always wanted to make a blog. I don't know why. I mean, I've seen a lot of people create blogs where they're kind of talking about their life, which are fun. But I would love to kind of be able to just express what I'm going through while I'm doing this and what kind of benefits or tips that I've learned through the time period. That's going to be super cool. All right, so this description propels Forge. Okay, good deal. Start selling online. We don't want to do that yet. So explore our creative product showcase. Welcome to ForgeCo. You're at ForgeCo.ai. We empower entrepreneurs. Blah, blah, blah. Pay now. I don't know about that. All right, there's a store, marketing, chat, site navigation, home. Oh, okay, so I bet you just click this plus button. New page. Very cool. All right, so we want to create a new page. Create. So this should fall underneath the home page, and that's what we want to do. All right, because it says immediately create it, right? Create a /prompt vault. So we're going to call this prompt vault. Not like that. There we go. Show in navigator, show in footer, private page. Done. I think that works. With our enhanced vault artifact embedded. Okay. Plus opt-in forms to capture emails for growth. Okay. Help me with step 1. But I want to add in the screenshot of what's here so they can kind of help run me through this. All right, Grok, I want you to start thinking. Think hard for me, buddy. I wish I can give Grok like a name, you know what I mean? Like Sally or something. Maybe not Sally, Billy Bob. Oh, actually, wow, 13 seconds. Grok 4 has gotten faster than Grok 3. If you remember from my earlier videos, to those who were able to see it, it was taking upwards of 1 to 2 minutes for a response, depending on what I was asking. All right, so step 1, add a customized section for the prompt vault page. Click the add section button to start populating. Let's close this out. All right, so let's click the add section. We'll just kind of walk through this, right? GoDaddy's drag and drop makes this quick. Aim for 5 to 7 sections to keep it scannable. Under 2 minutes load time for better SEO. Oh, interesting. Here's the optimized structure tailored to maximize engagement and conversation. Hero section. Top banner for impact. Okay, so where's the hero section? Oh, where'd it go? Do I just literally call it hero? Audio and video. Oh, goodness gracious. What is a headline? Unlock. All right, I'm doing this again. I'm just going to keep sending screenshots because I don't know what to do here. Oh, I like that. Take a screenshot. So let's do this one here. Let's see what it says. I don't even know what happened with that. It was supposed to work, but it didn't. All right, let's grab this. Let's paste it in. Let's suggest sections for the, okay, cool. All right, thank you. I'm gonna move this over to the other screen. I'll keep scooting it back. That way I don't have to keep opening it. All right, section to add, choose countdown timer. Oh, it's going through a whole thing. Introduction section, select text. Okay, it's going through all of it here. It's going pretty quick. If I scroll, oh good, it doesn't keep writing, overwriting. Hero section, grab attention with the banner from recommended or popular. Choose the countdown timer from recommended. Where's that? It says hero section. Am I missing it? Recommended, get paid, popular. I'm not seeing hero section. All right, so choose countdown timer. All right, hero section, grab attention. Oh, maybe this whole thing means it's a hero section. So, what is all this? Featured categories, online store, PayPal button. Oh, you can kind of just add little items to each section of it. This is, oh yeah, so it says choose countdown timer. Oh, here it is right here. So let's add a countdown timer. From recommended, if you want urgency, limited free access, or general header. Headline, unlock Forge.co's. Oh, there we go. Unlock Forge.co's Grok 4 optimized. I like that. And of course, I think what I really like, I think this is going to be it right here, right? Oh, okay, interesting. But it doesn't, home prompt vault, it's almost here. Sub headline. Well, if this is the headline, and this is the headline, 25 high impact, no sign up required for preview. Hold on. I was trying to hit an undo button. There it is. All right, home prompt, text logo. Use this text as my logo. Other options. Gee, you know, you would think like this is super intuitive. This is requiring a little bit of effort. I do like how it says prompt vault right there though. So let's do this one. So let's say unlock ForgeCo.ai's free AI prompt vault, Grok 4 optimized. All right, what is this? Okay, there we go. I kind of wish I could pull this out a little bit almost. Subheadline. I feel like I don't want to add that here. Visual. Add an AI themed stock image. Search Builder's library for neural networks. CTA button. Not gonna lie, getting a little razzle dazzled over here, a little frustrated. It's almost overwhelming. I'm glad I'm going through this emotion for y'all. I hope you can kind of get a feel for this one, learning from me, going like, man, God, can you just click this button right here? Why is he so stupid? Or those you are going like, I have no idea what's going on, because that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. Because we got the website, and this did say ForgeCo.ai. So grab attention with a banner. So hold on, add countdown timer. So this is the banner. Okay, so this is the banner. And these are just tips. We don't have to do this. And then it says sub headline. So can I add another section in here or something? Background, fill theme colors, action button, promotional banner, logo. Oh, hey, logo. Uses text as my logo. Unlock ForgeCo's free AI prompt vault. Grok 4. Okay, so that is the logo for this one, right? Cool. So that is what we want. We do want the logo border. Let's hit done. All right, promotional banner, show promotion. Got a special message? Let visitors know about your sales, free shipping, limited time news, and more. Show promotion. Ah, so this could be the subheadline. 25 high impact. I bet this will work. So let's put this here. Oh, it doesn't. It won't cover the whole thing though. So let's not do that. That seems kind of cheap, doesn't it? Oh gracious, I got big quick. Okay, let's do. What if I can do this one and then shrink this text? Oh no, you can only shrink. Oh, that's kind of frustrating here. All right, so we're gonna hit this one here. And I want to keep the Grok 4 optimized here for sure. There's the prompt vault. Okay, home. Ah, oh cool. That's how you can kind of get to it. All right. Unlock ForgeCo's free AI prompt vault here. It's almost here. And I think did I try to paste that here? Yeah, that actually works good. The state is approaching fast. We're making preparations. Don't miss out. All right. The only thing I don't like is the color is, oh, there we go. Because it kind of doesn't match. Oh, cool. It like rechanged it. Or it like changed it. 25 high impact for content marketing, planning, and PR. Oh, productivity. No, it just closed everything out, or it kind of shrunk it. 25 high impact prompts for content marketing, planning, and productivity. So, oh, there it is. There's the size right here. Font size. Okay, so I can make this small. There we go. Oh, so that's the headline. Oh, that's the headline. What the heck? All right. There we go. Now it makes a lot more sense. It was inside of the stupid box. I don't like it added like an extra space there. Now I'll feel a little bit better. I was a little frustrated. Okay, so this needs to go back into what it was. Can I undo this, or is it going to undo, what was it, ForgeCo.ai? And let's make this thing decently sized. There we go. That looks good. Back to where it was. All right. Now this makes a lot more sense. All right. So now they got that visual. Add an AI themed stock image. Search Builder's Library for neural network. Okay. Upload or create a logo. Edit your images with GoDaddy Studio. Okay, cool. So we want to create a new logo. And then I love how it gives you the search, right? Neural network or digital forge. Let's do digital forge. Let's see what it says. Digital forge. Actually, what if I did both? Nah, let's just do digital forge. Let's see what old GoDaddy says here. I'm kind of excited, actually. This I feel a lot better. At first, I was getting a little frustrated because it seemed like it was a bit much. But as I'm figuring it out as I go along, it's a little less apparent than I thought. I thought it would be like super easy, but I'll give this on a scale of 1 to 10 on difficulty. I'll give this now a 3. It's not super difficult because, like, to those who had to learn HTML, I have a computer science degree. I had to learn HTML back in the day and XML and stuff like that, and it was a big pain in the butt. Okay, cool. So we got like a little hammer and stuff like that. I'm kind of digging the hammer. Let's go with a hammer theme. I don't know why, just something about the hammer, because I don't think y'all have seen it yet, but I did get another a logo that I'm going to be changing. I created this with Grok 4, and it's actually a lot cooler than I thought it would be. So let me show you all that really fast. It's actually cool. Here we go. This is the image that Grok created for me. See that? I'm not going to remove the watermarking because I want to make sure that y'all know I didn't do this myself or pay anybody. That AI generated. But look at that. Is that not a cool logo? So that's going to be my logo for now on. Just, it's like a hammer to kind of like represent building and crafting, and then like the neuro kind of represents like AI and technology. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. All right. Would you like to add to your, what text would you like to add? Okay. Or digital, or upload a custom graphic. preview the vault. I don't think we need anything. Oh, it says I recommend go. Okay. ForgeCo.ai. I like how at least it gives a recommendation. Like, you should probably use your business name as a brand. This one seems to be, I wouldn't say slow, but it does take a little bit more time. Okay, cool. Here's your Arrow Plus to remove the watermarks and download. Here are your logo options. Wait a second, I have Arrow Plus. Pretty sure I do. Okay. You know what? Hold on a second. What if I just use my own stinking logo? Your logo's foundation. Make my own. No, 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 no. Back. I wonder. Let's close out of this. Why don't I just open the freaking logo? Let's create a logo. I don't want to create a logo. I want to upload my logo, because I literally just talked about how I got the coolest logo in the world now. Maybe not in the world, but it's definitely up there. All right. Which one did I pull up? What was the name of it? Main logo.jpg. Okay. Just want to make sure I get the name right. Okay. Let's put this in details. I like to order things by date because it takes me forever to find things that way. There we go. See, beautiful. Insert. Let's see here. Import images from your Facebook page. I'm not including Facebook. Thank you, though. Do I like that there, though? It kind of looks out of place. No. Well, can I make it bigger, though? Smaller. Oh, I want big. Get an image on there. It only lets you make it so big, apparently. Let's see here. It doesn't have my name on it. What's logo overlap mean? Done. Why not? That looks unprofessional. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love the image, but it's just kind of like it doesn't blend very well. I wonder if I kind of change the color background a little bit. Maybe drop in the colors. No. Undo. It's not letting me Control Z undo because that looks terrible. Let's just go with black. When in doubt, right? Oh my gosh, how do you get to black? I bet you it's going to be back up here. It's going to be in the bottom. This little light spectrum right here. There we go. Let's just leave it like that. Okay, good enough. We're just going to rock it. I doubt people are going to look at it and go, what is that? What is that thing? All right, so CTA button, preview the vault, link to the content section below, or download PDF. All right, so I think we have everything here. Site navigation, action button and navigation, promotional banner, logo. We did that? Okay, we got our logo. Introduction, build trust and explain value from general. Selection to add from general or blog and newsletter. Add to text or content block from general. Hold on. Attention with a banner. Oh, so I think this is it, right? Because we finished this one. What is the CTA button? Preview the vault. Oh, we should add a CTA button. So let's finish this one. Where's my... Use text as my logo, change image. Maybe I need to go back to header. Website. Crap. Page settings. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where I went. All right, so we're back here. We have our logo. We created this one because this was the button, right? I remember we added a button. I don't even know how the heck I got back there. Oh yeah, countdown timer, website. But it was in here for sure. Rename, store, marketing. This is a little aggravating. I feel like it should be a little bit more. What is the CTA button? Am I just a total doodah? home prompt vault. So we're still under the prompt vault, but we added, oh, that's right. We added a button, the CTA button, preview the vault. CTA button, preview the vault. So we need to add new external link, new dropdown. I want to add this page settings, show navigation, show and footer, prompt vault. What's the next steps here? All right, review your about section, upload media to use your site, Facebook, look professional with a free customer email, improve your site, grow your audience, explore new tools. All right, nothing here that I'm seeing. I want to finish this stinking thing. Go back to the website. We're at the prompt. Do I need to add a headline, visual, CTA button, preview the vault? Link to the content section below. Oh, so this is where I actually add the stupid thing. How do I add the CTA button? Right? How do I add the CTA button? I have no clue. Like, let's take another screenshot of this thing. I am absolutely lost, so I might as well use this thing to tell me what the heck to do. Let's just grab this section right here and paste it. All right, Grok, help me out here. I'm a clueless idiot. The task is to add a CTA button to the prompt vault page. Yes. Yes, it is. Was it in this? I mean, because that's adding pages, reorder pages. How do you, I'm here. Okay, select the heroes section. What is the heroes section? All right, let's ask ChatGPT while that thing's kind of going. What is the heroes section of a website on GoDaddy? I don't really know what a hero section is. Is the large topmost visual area that people see when they land on your home page. Oh, before they scroll, it's your first impression and typically includes headline. Ah, okay, so this is the hero page for this one. So, oh, cool, they kind of slapped my logo on there. That was interesting. Why does that? It's just so rounded. Can you not like, because it's so square, it doesn't blend in with the background? Like, blend, multiply, difference, exclusion, darken, overlay. Let's see if that helps. Because it's just, it contrasts so much. It won't let me pick the transparency. That's kind of the problem with this one. I don't like that. I'm gonna come back and mess with this later. But right now, it sticks out like a sore thumb to me. Like looking at that, it's not aesthetically pleasing at all. I think that's why, well, maybe that's why it recommended it. Brand kit. Add your brand logos. E-commerce. Your brand. Your logo. Heading, paragraph. Okay. Save. Logos. Maybe if I do it through here. Okay, and then colors. Definitely need, I wish I could do a dropper almost. Let's just leave that here. Edit. All right, we're gonna have to come back to that one as well. Continue. Maybe this will help with it or something? No, it doesn't. But I'm definitely gonna come back to this thing because it looks terrible. All right, let's go back into this one. So now that I know that one, all right, so step by step to adding the buttons. Select the hero. Go to website builder, make this straightforward with the action buttons that can be edited or added to most sections. Follow these steps in your current editor view. Select the hero section. Click directly in the hero section. The banner with your headline. So we want to go back to, I think, our website, right? So back to Prompt Vault. Select the hero section. The banner with your headline, subheadline, and countdown timer. Oh yeah, so that's one here. Look for the blue outline or toolbar appearing around it. Okay. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. I see all this, like all the stuff. Oh, so you can kind of add section here. All right. In the floating toolbar on the right side panel under website or theme, find options like edit section or add element. The hero already has a button placeholder. Common in countdown templates, click to customize. Otherwise, customize the button. All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause this video. I am going to step away for a minute because of those of y'all who have ever worked on stuff and get a little frustrated and pissed off, that's where I'm at right now. Because let me rephrase this, right? Like I added a new site. So when you click home, there's this prompt vault, right? So you click prompt vault. And then here, there's the unlock Forge, the actual website. So I'm assuming this is the URL I will send out. And then what happens if I add section here? I'm about to have to take a timeout because I'm like a timeout. I'm about to go take a pause and then shift over into something else. From the add section menu, general button. Recommended. What if I just typed in button? Oh, buttons. Ah, buttons. Ah, I added a button. Holy crap. Okay. Wow, what a pain in the ass. Okay, so, sorry for that. So for those of you who don't know, whenever you're adding content, once you have it, you click an add section either above or below. And then you are where you need to be. That's where you can add all of the additional stuff. Like this, right? Real estate. That's actually really cool. Now that I figured it out, I'm a little less frustrated. Okay. All right, I got it. All right. All right, so in the floating toolbar on the right side, add element, add button, choose action button or CTA button. Was there multiple buttons? It might be under general or popular, action button. Oh, so can I undo that? No. But I bet you I can just delete this. Yeah. Okay. I'm starting to get this a little bit. So it was under the general section. Let's just actually walk through it. There are buttons here. Okay, so can I click and edit the buttons? Ah, darn it. Let's just add another one. And then I can just come back and delete it. I was trying to see if there was add again. Okay, so you really can't do anything. Display a list of buttons. There's no other multiple options. Can I click on each of these? Okay, there we go. There we go. So you can just, can I delete? Oh, there we go. So delete. I only need one button. A little bit of cleanup here. You know, even with AI and a user interface, at times this stuff is still a pain in the butt. Okay, I have the button now. We are ready to rock and roll. So click add element. All right, customize the buttons. Set to download the vault free or get started with AI prompts to Tom to our tie brand. Set to, all right, oh, button label. Download the vault free. So download the vault free or get started with AI. I mean, they already know it's free. It's already plastered all above it. So I'm just going to put the get started with AI prompts. There we go. Cool. Tied to our brand's focus on efficiency. For a direct download, upload a PDF of our enhanced prompt vault. Create via Notion, Export, or Canva under the Files and Web tab. Okay. Oh. So I'm pretty sure I uploaded this one before. Content creation prompts. It's right here. It's pretty beneficial. I wonder if... Oh, okay, cool. So now it says I should be able to export this as a PDF. All right, export. You want to change this to a PDF. Include databases, current view, include content, no files or images. Yeah. Format. Include subpages. No subpages. Create folders or subfolders. Export. All right, let's see what this does. I put this underneath the SOP library. I think that's actually inaccurate. We're going to put this in documents right now. And what we're going to call this one is our what are we calling this thing? And this is for everybody here. I think this is actually really cool. I'm very excited that y'all be able to use this. This is actually really beneficial. And this will help y'all a bunch. I'm really excited about this one. If no button, option hero, test and publish. What is it called? I'm like brain dumping or like having a brain dump? No, an airheaded moment? I don't know. Like I can't like going brain dead here. See, look at that. It'll help if I go drink some coffee. Under files and web for lead capture, link to contact form. Link to a contact form or an external tool like Gumroad for gated access, building our email list for future upsells. Okay, so we'll need to do that next, but I just need to get the stupid thing out. All right. Oh, it's our prompt vault. Prompt vault. All right, let's not be dumb here. Let's see what the actual PDF looks like. I'm pretty curious. Let me see here. Prompt vault. There it is. Let's open it up with Google. Okay, so it actually added this portion of it. Oh, cool. So, all right, I like that, but I just need to update this, right? Because this isn't clear. This is going to be, people are going to be like, what the heck is this? We're going to call this the vault prompt. All right. The purpose, reusable. No. The purpose is reusable. Hold on. Actually, I could probably put it right here. Prompt vault. What am I, like dyslexic? Prompt vault. Vault. Oh man, what a little bit of a doodah there. And I can actually put this here. So welcome to upgraded prompt vault. I can put this right here in the purpose. Actually, hold on. Okay, I've refined the prompts for maximum efficiency, usage tips, ChatGPT or Grok. I think that's good, but we need to put what the purpose is. So the purpose of Prompt Vault is to give easy, pre-built prompts you can copy and paste into AI to get exactly what you need for your business. And then it's because it kind of prints that out on that PDF. I'm going to add something here too. I'm going to say location, ForgeCo.ai, right? So that way it's kind of almost stamped in here. Very cool. Because I love this. Like when you look at some of this stuff, like content creation prompts, draft a 600-word SEO optimized article on, and then put your topic. And then it specifies with H2 headings, bullet points, and meta description. And it has a description of each of these. Create 5 email newsletter ideas on niche, each with subject, line, opener, and CTA. So like you don't even have to think about this. You just find exactly what it is that you need based off, is it marketing? Is it marketing prompts? Is it content creation prompts and so forth? This is really, really, really cool. I am so happy this is working. Okay. So now let's go ahead and export this into our PDF. Current view, include content, everything. What did I say? No files or images. All right, let's export it again. Give it a second to think. All right, so what I'm going to do is underneath documents, I'm going to put a new folder in here, and I'm literally just going to call this our ForgeCo.ai tools for now, and we'll just save it underneath there. See, look, now it's got the actual name on there because I spent a little bit of time and built this little page up, right? So this is actually, now I'm starting to see a little bit more benefit to Notion. And if I'm sure y'all are going to start seeing this too, being able to just easily export a PDF without using, we'll just say, proprietary tools, right? I won't mention any names. So the very popular and expensive full version for the name brand PDF creator. All right. So 4-drop tools. Take a look. There we go. Look at that. That looks so good. I'm so excited. This is an actual legit and beneficial product. Awesome. Okay. I think we're just about done. We've got a couple more minutes. Let's post this thing up and we'll publish it. And then we are done for now. I am actually excited. Let's close that one. I don't have that one open. All right. Where is our... We don't need ChatGPT. We need Grok. Grok, where did you go? I lost you, Grok. Come back. You're somewhere. There you are. Okay. Now, for the add section, general button, drag it just below the hero. Oh, drag it below the hero. Well, you know, those are a little attention to detail that I kind of missed. So we actually want to move this. It says below the hero. Oh, it is below the hero. What am I saying? This is the hero right here. Now I know what the hero is. This is the very first thing it says is the hero. All right. Call to action block. Drag it just below the hero. Publish on preview. Hit publish. Okay, wait, hold on. So how do I upload the PDF? Buttons. We have the button. Button. Got me with a button. Okay, we can link to page. Page is prompt vault. Link to page section. Take payments. Okay. So now what I need to figure out is how the heck do we link our PDF file? Okay. How do I link my PDF file? And should I involve Gumroad later? So Gumroad was it's an app or distribution app that ChatGPT recommended. I see some benefit to it. I just don't know how to use it yet. So we will end up doing that later on. So let's grab this here, throw it this direction. And of course, we're not going to take payments for this because we want to, I want to make sure that we're helping everybody first. Like, let's get some actual useful stuff. Because we'll be able to create some proprietary stuff later, but but right now, let's just get you something you can use, right? Something you can do with it. Oh wow, look, it's kind of going off here. I like that. So it's searching YouTube. Oh, so it can actually search YouTube. That is impressive. That is real impressive. Okay, upload it first. Create the PDF file. Export our enhanced. Stop moving. Export our enhanced prompt vault artifact from Notion, right? Use for Canva with a polished version with branding. Add our logo, colors, and call to action. Share and subscribe. Oh, it actually states to add the logo here. What if can I do that? Can I literally drag and drop the logo? That would be sweet. Oops, no, not there. I want to add it to the top. Can I add it to the top? How do I add the logo to it? Add a property? Can I do logo? Text, date, URL, email. Actually, you know, we want to do a URL. Show full URL. Okay. Oh no, it called it logo. Rename. What is this? Ugh. All right. I think I'm going to stop here. We're at an hour. I'm going to come back and resume for this one. We're pretty stinking close. I feel like I get closer every time. All right. Again, like it, subscribe it. Let's keep building it. Love y'all. Bye.